Hi there. A new update has been made to our dynamic commissions feature so that now you as the admin can change the commission which you charge your workers depending on the amount of income that they have generated for a particular client. So if, for example, um, your worker has been collaborating with a client for several months or years, and they have reached a specific tier or income range which you have set, then the commission which you charge them for sourcing work from the platform will be reduced, and it'll be reduced by the amount that you set. So I'll run through that entire example here. If you search for dynamic commission in your settings, you will find this feature here, allow freelancers to reduce your commission based on their activities. And there's this fifth option now available, earnings by customer. Here you can create an unlimited number of ranges, and you can set that when somebody enters this range and ends at that range, that they will get this amount deducted from your base commission. So currently our base commission, I'll show you in a moment, is 20%. So once a particular worker has made over $999 for a particular client, then any successive work which they do for the same client, instead of them being charged by the platform, by us, 4%, 20%, they will now only be charged 16%. And when they reach the next range, they will then be charged 14%. And the third range, they will then be charged 12%. Make sure that when you're adding these items, you save here, and then you also save on the generic save button at the bottom. So just to prove that, before we go through the rest of the example, as you can see here, the commission fee is set at 20%. Moving then to the marketplace front end, I'll be working as this particular worker, Bernie Jenkins, and we'll apply for this position. Now, as you saw, that first range won't start until I have earned over $999 for a particular client. So this is the first time that I'm collaborating with this particular user. So what I'll do is I'll add two tasks. Once that first task is completed, because it's valued at $1,000, I will be directly into the first bracket where I'm eligible for a discount, which means that effectively, when we review the transactions, I will have two different commission rates. I can send through that application. And now as the employer, I'll be able to accept that contract, and I'll be able to process and pay for both of those milestones, and we'll review the commission which has been taken. So starting that contract now, for the first milestone, which is valued at £1,000, at a 20% commission, the platform should take 200 from the particular freelancer, including the admin fee. The client is paying 10.40 and 53 pence. And now we can approve the funds so that they're released to the freelancer. And why don't we go ahead, and now that that has been processed, we can process a payment for the second milestone. And so then going back to the admin dashboard, going to transactions, we now have this milestone between the John and Bernie. And as we can see, both of these were for the tenant commission. Milestone 1 was valued at 1,000 with a 20% commission. That has come to 20%. Now, because we've reached the first tier in which they were then getting a 4% deduction, so instead of 20, they were going to be charged 16%, and milestone 2 was valued at 100, the 16% of that is £16, which has been taken here. So this is a new tool which can be used in which you will reward your workers for working with a particular client. As you know, we have other tools available in dynamic commissions where the deduction can be, for example, income generated on the platform across all clients, or for a particular coupon code which you have issued to them. However, this is a new way in which you can reward loyalty for working with a particular company or client. Feel free to reach out with any questions. Thank you.